Hello and welcome. Today we're making a delicious shrimp fried rice recipe with a Latin twist. If you want to learn how to do it yourself, stay tuned. Okay, so today we're making a fried rice with a twist. We laid out the ingredients, and we have 1 cup of white rice, 1/2 cup of chopped onions, 1 cup of frozen sweet peas. We're going to be using soy sauce, cracked black pepper, sea salt, and we also will be using sazon mix that has saffron and duck sauce. So if you are a person who enjoy Chinese food takeout, then this is a good opportunity for you to save up your soy sauce and duck sauce, and you can actually use the packs, or you can use the bottles like we have here. So anyway, we're going to get started with the video. Just wanted to outline the ingredients that we're going to be using for this recipe. Okay, so the first step we're going to do is take that water out. Okay. We got our flame. We're going to start off with a medium heat with a saucepan. And here we're using a mild olive oil. We're going to put in our rice. Now we're adding in 1 pack of the saffron. And we're going to fry that up in the pan. Get that mixed in real well. Okay, so we've been stirring this up for 4 to 5 minutes, and when the rice gets a little crisp, then you know you're good to go. Now we'll take the next step. We're going to add 2 cups of water. Listen to that sizzle. Nice. Take your time here. You don't want the water to splash on you. Mix that in. Okay, again, we have this on a medium-high heat. We're going to bring it to a boil, and then we're going to have to let it simmer. So this right here now has been boiling for roughly 5 minutes. at a medium to high heat. And so now we're going to just cover this. We turn down the temperature, we reduce the temperature to low, and now we're going to let this simmer. Okay, we're just going to check the rice. And here's a pro tip for you. A lot of people use a spoon when checking the rice, but we find it better to use a fork. So here we added the peas, the burner off, so no heat, and we're just going to let the peas simmer in the steam. And again, we can actually take that off the burner, set it on a cool burner. So here we have a large skillet that we have on medium-high heat. We're letting this pan get hot. We just added roughly 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And we're adding in our shrimp. Adding in our fresh ground black pepper, sea salt, a couple dashes of each. Want to be careful with the shrimp. All we're doing is searing the shrimp. So maybe 1 minute. Flip them over. Looking good. So here we heated up a pan, large skillet pan with olive oil. We placed in our shrimp. We seared them on the front side for 1 minute. Then we flip them over, and we're cooking them off for roughly 1.5 minutes.
I'm gonna lower the heat.
Here we're lowering the heat to medium low. Now we're adding in our rice to the skillet pan. Get all that flavor from the shrimp. That looks good. Nice.
Can you cook?
We're adding in our duck sauce. So here we're using 6 packs from our leftover takeout Chinese food. 6 packs of duck sauce. Added in 1 3/4, no more than 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Get that a nice stir. Now we're increasing our heat to a medium-high heat. That's going to be really good. Looking good. Adding in our onions. That's a 1/2 cup of chopped white onions. That's our last step, right? So we added in the white onion last, so we can have texture. We don't want to cook those down. We want to have some good texture with those onions. Let's cook it just a little bit, get some steam in there, get that flavor going, and we're good to go. Now we're cutting off the heat, and our meal is complete. Okay, we're going to serve this up. This is the moment I've been waiting for. Nice. Okay. Dinner is served. Enjoy.